Understanding Fortress Up, a guide to English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fortress up. This isn't a phrase you'll find in everyday conversation, but it's a great example of how English can be creative and metaphorical. Let's dive in and learn about what it means and how you can use it. The phrase, fortress up, combines the noun, fortress, which is a large fortified place, with the verb, up, often used in English to indicate an action is being taken. When we say, fortress up, we are talking about strengthening defenses or preparing for difficulties. It's like saying, get ready to protect yourself. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help with remembering it. Fortress up likely has its roots in military language, where preparing for defense is crucial. A fortress is a symbol of strength and security, so to fortress up is to make oneself as secure as a fortress. You can use fortress up in situations where you or someone else needs to prepare for a challenge. For instance, before a big game, a coach might tell their team to fortress up against the opposing team. In a business meeting, if tough negotiations are coming, you might hear, "We need to fortress up before the next session." Let's look at some examples to see how fortress up can fit into a sentence. The storm is coming. We need to fortress up and secure all the windows. They are fortressing up for the debate, gathering all the necessary information and arguments. And that's all there is to it. Fortress up is a phrase that's both descriptive and imaginative, perfect for situations that call for strong preparations. Use it when you're gearing up for something challenging, and you'll not only sound knowledgeable but also add some flair to your English. Happy learning, and don't forget to fortress up your language skills every day.